Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you will learn on how to connect Square to your Wix website. So here, as you can see on the other tab, I have here my Square account. So make sure to log in first and then take note of your email address and your password because we are going to use that to connect to our Wix website. Okay, so after that, just log into your Wix account. Okay, that's right. And then the next thing that we are going to do here is we just have to select our website. Or you also have the option to create a new site. So for this one, I'm just going to select this site. Okay, so just wait for a couple of seconds. That's right. So once you're here, as you can see, we have these options. Okay, so we have to update our site type, then connect a custom domain, set up our payment methods, and then add your first product, set up shipping and delivery, design your website, get found in Google, and discover Wix Enterprise. So here we're just going to set up the payment methods. Okay, so you just had to simply click on this one and it would be directed to your settings. So here, as you can see, you can accept payments, connect Wix payments or other third-party providers so your customers can pay you. Okay, so again, it depends on your region, the availability of the payment method that you can connect to your Wix website. Okay, so right here to change your business location, just simply click on the business location right here at the top right of your screen. Okay, and then just simply click on the see more payment option at the bottom. Okay, so as of the moment, the business location that we have selected is United States. That's why we can see here the square option. Okay, so see for example, you are from the Philippines. Okay, so let's try to change our business location and see if the Square payment is still available for this location. So you just simply clicked on the see more payment option. Okay, so here as you can see, for the Philippines, there are only four payment methods. Okay, so it depends, it will really depends on your region. So let's just change this to United States so I can show you how you can connect your Square to your Wix website. Okay, so just simply click on choose after that, then go here to the see more payment options. Here, just simply click on the connect. That's right. And then here you have the connect instructions. So first is you have to click on the connect to sign in to your Square account. And then once signed in, your Square account will be connected to your Wix account. So if you cannot find your credentials or want connect, you can contact the Square. Okay, and then if you don't have a Square account yet, you just have to simply click on this create a Square account. So since we already have our Square account, all we have to do now is to connect Square to our Wix website. So simply click on the connect option. That's right, and then just wait for a couple of seconds. And then right here we have to sign in to our Square dashboard. Okay, so here just type out your email or your phone number. Okay, so just type out your email right here. Gmail.com. Once done, just simply click on continue. And then of course you have to type out right here your password. Okay, after that just simply click on sign in. Okay, so just wait for a couple of seconds. So here you have to read this disclaimer. So Wix wants access to your Square account. So this will allow Wix to view your payment history, take payments and make refunds, collect a fee from each payment taken, view your merchant profile information, view your customer information, and then modify your customer information. So if you agree to this disclaimer, so just simply click on the allow option. Okay, after that, just wait for a couple of seconds. Okay, so now you have successfully connected your Square account to your Square website. Now it is time to upgrade your site. So, upgrading your plan to start accepting payments with point of sale. Okay, so to do that, just simply click on upgrade. So you have to take note that in order to accept payments here on Wix, you have to upgrade your plan. Okay, so here you have to choose the premium plan that is right for your store. Okay, so for example, the recommended plan is the business plan. So for this one, you have to pay for $27 per month. Okay, and then for the features, we have 10 collaborators, 100 gigabytes storage space, and then standard marketing suite. And then we also have free domain for a year. And we also have a 20,000 CMS items. And then accept payments. And we have the standard e-commerce. Now, here, if you want the business elite to scale your business, here you have $48 per month. And then for the features, we have 100 collaborators, unlimited storage space, and then advanced marketing suite, free domain for a year, 500,000 CMS items. You can accept payments, advanced e-commerce, and advanced developer platform. Now, after selecting your plan, you just have to simply click on the select option. That's right. And then here, for the billing cycles for business plan, okay, so if you are going to select 3 years, okay, so you can save up to $432. Okay, so that's for 3 years. And then here for 2 years, you can save up to $216. Okay, so if you're going to select monthly, then here, as you can see, for the monthly subscription, it does not include the free domain for a year, events calendar app. So here, it's better to select the yearly. After that, you just have to click on continue to check out. And here we have to complete our purchase. So here, we have the save payment methods and then the other payment methods. So for the other payment methods right here, we just have to fill out this form. So we have PayPal, credit card, Apple Pay, and then we can also create payment requests right here. Okay, now for the invoice details, we just have to type it right here, our first name, the last name, our address, the city, the postal code, and then your country, and then your phone number. Now, if you have a company name, this one is optional, but you can also fill out this section. After that, you just have to simply click on the continue to PayPal, and then make sure to confirm the payment information. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.